In this video, I'll be talking about the essential role of paralegal assistants in the legal field. So let's get started. So in this video, we're going to be going over following topics. So we're going to be doing an introduction to paralegal assistants, roles and responsibilities of paralegal assistants, legal research and analysis, document preparation and management, client communication and support, case management and organization, trial preparation and assistance, skills and qualifications of paralegal assistants, ethical considerations for paralegal assistants, and lastly, we're going to be ending the video with the conclusion and summary. So let's get started with the first slide, that is Introduction to Paralegal Assistants. Now, paralegal assistants play a crucial role in the legal field by supporting lawyers and legal teams. They perform essential tasks that enhance the efficiency of legal services, effectively bridging the gap between administrative duties and substantive legal work. Their key responsibilities include conducting legal research, drafting documents, and managing case files. This organization ensures that all necessary information is readily accessible for legal proceedings, which is vital for the success of any case. Now, to excel in this role, strong analytical skills and attention to detail are essential. Paralegal assistants must also possess excellent communication skills to interact effectively with clients and legal professionals, ensuring clear and concise exchanges of information. Many paralegal assistants begin their careers in law firms, but there are also opportunities in corporate legal departments and government agencies. With experience, they can advance to specialized roles or even management positions within legal teams. The impact of paralegal assistants on legal teams cannot be overstated. By handling time-consuming tasks, they significantly enhance productivity, allowing lawyers to focus on more complex legal issues and client representation. In terms of client interaction, paralegal assistants often serve as the first point of contact. They provide essential information and support while maintaining professionalism and confidentiality in all interactions. Conducting thorough legal research and preparing documentation are core responsibilities of paralegal assistants. Their diligent work ensures that legal arguments are well supported and accurately presented in court. Ethical considerations are paramount in this profession. Paralegal assistants must adhere to strict ethical guidelines to maintain the integrity of the legal profession, safeguarding client information and avoiding conflicts of interest. Most paralegal assistants hold a degree in paralegal studies or a related field. Continuing education and certification can further enhance their qualifications and career prospects, making them more competitive in the job market. Now, looking ahead, the demand for paralegal assistance is expected to grow as legal services continue to evolve. With advancements in technology and automation, the nature of their work will change, requiring adaptability and a commitment to ongoing learning. So that is it for this slide. Now let's move on, where we're going to be looking at the roles and responsibilities of paralegal assistants. Now, first we have legal research. Now, this involves conducting thorough research on legal precedents and status that are relevant to the cases we are working on. Once the research is complete, we summarize our findings and present them to the attorneys to help shape the case strategy. Next is document preparation. Now, this task includes drafting essential legal documents such as contracts, pleadings, and discovery requests. It is crucial to ensure that all documents comply with legal standards and are filed correctly to avoid any issues. Moving on to client communication, this role serves as a vital point of contact for clients. We provide them with updates on the progress of their cases and gather necessary information for them to assist in the preparation of their cases. Then case management is another important responsibility. This involves organizing and maintaining case files to ensure that all documents are up to date. Additionally, we track deadlines and manage schedules for court appearances and filings to keep everything on track. Finally, we have trial assistance. Now, in this capacity, we assist attorneys during trials by organizing exhibits and evidence. We also take notes and provide support in the courtroom as needed to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now, these responsibilities are essential for the effective functioning of legal teams and contribute significantly to the success of our cases. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the legal research and analysis. So first, paralegal assistants begin by identifying the legal issues at hand. This is a crucial first step as it sets the foundation for the entire research process. They then select appropriate research methods such as case law analysis or statutory interpretation to gather relevant information. Next, they gather information from various sources. This includes legal databases, law libraries, and online resources. By utilizing these diverse sources, paralegals ensure that they have access to comprehensive and up-to-date legal materials, which is vital for effective research. Now, once the information is collected, paralegals analyze this data. This analysis is important as it helps them identify key legal principles and precedents. Understanding how the law applies to the specific case is essential for providing accurate and relevant support to attorneys. Finally, paralegal assistants compile their findings into a clear and concise report, and then this report is then presented to the attorneys, aiding in case preparation and strategy. This quality and organization of this report can significantly impact the effectiveness of the legal team's approach to the case. Overall, these steps highlight the critical role that paralegal assistants play in the legal research process. Now we're going to be looking at the document preparation and management. So, first, let's talk about contracts. Paralegal assistants are responsible for preparing various types of contracts. They ensure that all legal requirements are met and also review these contracts for accuracy and compliance with relevant laws. This is a critical task as any oversight can lead to significant legal issues down the line. Next, we have pleadings. Pleadings are formal documents that are filed with the courts, and paralegals assist in drafting these important documents. They play a vital role in initiating or responding to legal actions. It's essential that pleadings are properly formatted and filed within the required deadlines, and paralegals help ensure that this happens. Lastly, let's discuss about briefs. Legal briefs are written arguments presented to the court, and paralegals are crucial in researching and compiling the necessary information for these documents. They assist in organizing the content effectively to support the case, which is vital for the success of legal proceedings. Now we're going to be looking at the client communication and support. First, let's talk about client interaction. Paralegal assistants are often the primary point of contact for clients. This means they are responsible for ensuring clear communication and a thorough understanding of the client's needs. They actively listen to clients' concerns and provide timely updates on the progress of their cases, which is essential for maintaining trust and transparency. Next, we have information gathering. Paralegal assistants conduct thorough interviews to collect essential information from clients, and this information is crucial for effective case preparation. They also utilize various tools and resources to verify facts and gather supporting documentation, ensuring that all necessary information is accurate and complete. Finally, we will cover legal process support. Paralegal assistants play a key role in helping clients navigate the legal process. They explain procedures and answer any question clients may have, which can alleviate confusion and anxiety. Additionally, they assist in preparing legal documents and ensure that all filings are completed accurately and on time, which is critical for the success of any legal case. Now we're going to be looking at the case management and organization. So first we start with case files. It's crucial to gather all relevant case files and ensure that all documents are organized and easily accessible. Additionally, maintaining an updated log of all case files will help track their status and any changes made. Next, we move on to scheduling. Establishing a timeline for the case is essential, which includes key deadlines and court dates. It's also important to coordinate with all parties involved to ensure their availability for meetings and hearings. The third step is coordination. Regular communication with legal professionals, clients, and witnesses is vital to keep everyone informed. Utilizing collaborative tools can greatly enhance the efficiency of sharing updates and documents. Now, let's discuss documentation. It's important to ensure that all communications and decisions are documented thoroughly for future reference. Additionally, reviewing and filing all legal documents in accordance with court requirements is a must. Finally, we have follow-ups. Now, conducting regular follow-ups with clients and legal teams will help address any outstanding issues. It's also important to evaluate the progress of the case and adjust strategies as necessary. Now we're going to be looking at trial preparation and assistance. Now, when organizing evidence for a trial, it is crucial to collect and categorize all relevant documents and materials. This ensures that everything is easily accessible for the attorneys during the trial, allowing them to present their case effectively. Next, we focus on preparing exhibits. Creating visual aids and exhibits can significantly support the case, so it's important to ensure that all exhibits are properly labeled and organized for presentation. This will help the jury and judge understand the evidence more clearly. Assisting attorneys is another key responsibility. Providing real-time support during the trial is essential, as is managing documents and evidence as needed throughout the proceedings. This support can make a big difference in how smoothly the trial runs. Finally, we must address trial logistics. Coordinating schedules and logistics for trial days is vital to ensure that everything runs smoothly. We need to make sure that all necessary materials and technology are in place, which will contribute to a successful trial process. Now we're going to be looking at the skills and qualifications of paralegal assistants. So, at the top of the pyramid, we have advanced competencies. Now, this involves a mastery of specialized legal areas and procedures, which is crucial for providing expert legal advice and representation. Next, we have client communication. It is essential to effectively communicate with clients and understand their needs. This skill helps build trust and ensures that we can meet our clients' expectations. Moving down the pyramid, we find legal writing. Now, proficiency in drafting legal documents and correspondence is vital. Clear and precise writing can significantly impact the outcome of legal matters. Following that, we have research skills. A strong ability to conduct legal research and analyze information is necessary to support our arguments and provide sound legal advice. Finally, at the base of the pyramid, we have foundational knowledge. This includes an understanding of legal terminology and basic legal principles, which serves as the groundwork for all other competencies. Together, these competencies form a comprehensive skill set that is essential for any legal professional. Now we're going to be looking at the ethical considerations for paralegal assistants. So first, let's talk about professional integrity. Paralegal assistants are expected to uphold the highest standards of honesty and ethical behavior in all their professional interactions. This means being truthful in all communications and maintaining transparency with both clients and colleagues. Upholding these standards is crucial for building trust and credibility in the legal profession. Next, we have client confidentiality. It is imperative for paralegal assistants to protect sensitive client information at all costs. This responsibility encompasses all forms of communication and documentation. Paralegals must ensure that client data is not disclosed without proper authorization, as maintaining confidentiality is a fundamental aspect of our profession. Lastly, we need to address conflicts of interest. Paralegal assistants must be vigilant in avoiding situations where their personal interests may conflict with their professional duties. If any potential conflicts arise, it is essential to disclose them to supervising attorney. This practice helps maintain trust and integrity in their work and ensures that the best interests of the clients are always prioritized. Now, by adhering to these principles, paralegal assistants can contribute to a professional environment that values ethics and integrity. Now, we're going to go ahead and conclude and summarize everything we've looked at. So, first, let's talk about role clarity. Paralegal assistants are essential in supporting attorneys by managing case files and conducting legal research. Their clear understanding of their responsibility not only helps them perform their tasks effectively, but also enhances the overall efficiency of legal teams. Next, we have essential skills. For paralegal assistants, key skills include strong research abilities, attention to detail, and effective communication. These competencies are crucial for navigating the complexities of legal documents and procedures, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Moving on to the impact of efficiency. Now, the presence of skilled paralegal assistants significantly improves workflow within law firms. By handling routine tasks, they enable attorneys to focus on higher level responsibilities, which ultimately increase overall productivity. Now, let's explore career pathways. Paralegal assistants have various opportunities for career advancement. They can specialize in specific legal fields or pursue further education to become attorneys. Now, this flexibility makes the role particularly appealing to many individuals looking to grow in the legal profession. Finally, we will look at future trends. Now, the demand for paralegal assistance is expected to grow as legal practices increasingly rely on technology and specialized knowledge. Therefore, staying updated with legal tech trends will be crucial for their future success in the field. Now, in summary, paralegal assistants play a vital role in the legal system, and understanding their contributions and opportunities can help us appreciate their importance in law firms. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.